We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive and expert-driven overview of the Paffenery One PC's Cooling Car Seat cover front seat. This product promises to keep drivers cool and comfortable during hot weather by using advanced ventilation technology. If you own the seat cover, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The Paffenery Cooling Car Seat cover is designed to combat the discomfort of sweating and overheating during drives. It features 8 turbo cooling fans embedded within a breathable cover material that can cool you down in under 5 seconds. This rapid cooling effect is the result of extensive aerodynamic experiments and cutting-edge technology, which places the ventilation system strategically to push cold, fresh air through an internal flow path directly to your back. Users report that this creates a noticeable cooling sensation almost immediately, making long drives and daily commutes much more comfortable. One of the standout features of this seat cover is its Intelligent Climatic Designation, or ICD, which allows precise temperature adjustments across 3 levels. Additionally, the seat cover includes an active vibration function cycling through 5 modes to relieve lumbar pressure and relax muscles, adding a massage-like comfort to your ride. This combination of cooling and vibration functions makes the Paffenery seat cover a versatile accessory for comfort enhancement. Installation is generally straightforward, with a universal fit designed to snugly secure the cover on most car, SUV, and truck seats. The cover utilizes an ergonomic non-slip backing and a top-middle-bottom securing mechanism to keep it firmly in place. However, some users have noted that the side flaps lack straps or fasteners, which can cause slight shifting during entry and exit from the vehicle. This may be a minor inconvenience depending on your vehicle's seat design. The material quality is another strong point. Made from high-end leather combined with breathable mesh, the cover is soft, flexible, and smooth, providing comfort while protecting your original car seats. The middle layer features an optimized pattern to enhance airflow and durability. The product also comes with a 1-year warranty, reflecting confidence in its build quality. Performance-wise, the cooling fans are powerful yet quiet, avoiding distracting noise while driving. Users have remarked that the cooling effect is best experienced when there is some movement on the seat to allow airflow, which is typical of ventilated seat covers. The vibration massage function adds a pleasant dimension, although it operates on a simple on-off cycle rather than a continuous massage, which some may find less sophisticated but still effective for muscle relaxation. There are a few drawbacks to consider. Some users have experienced the cooling function failing after about 4 months of use, indicating potential durability concerns. The seat cover's fit can be imperfect on certain car seats, especially those with pronounced bolsters, where the side wings do not conform well. Additionally, the cord placement may interfere with some vehicle layouts depending on the location of the power outlet. The Paffenery Cooling Car Seat cover is powered by a 12V to 24V connection, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles. It is not recommended to use this cooling cover simultaneously with heated seats, as it may cause conflicts in temperature regulation. The cooling airflow is perceptible even through thicker clothing like jeans, although it is more effective with lighter attire. Overall, the Paffenery Cooling Car Seat cover delivers a significant comfort upgrade for drivers dealing with hot seats and sweaty backs. It outperforms many cheaper alternatives, such as portable fans or fabric pads, by actively circulating air and providing adjustable cooling and massage features. While some users report issues with longevity and fit, the majority appreciate the immediate cooling effect, quiet operation, and the luxurious feel of the materials. If you frequently drive in warm climates or spend long hours on the road, this seat cover could be a valuable investment to improve your driving experience. Remember to check the product link in the description to support the channel and find the latest pricing and availability. Your feedback is also important, so please share your experience with this product in the comments to help others. In conclusion, the Paffenery Cooling Car Seat cover is a thoughtfully designed gadget that combines innovative cooling technology with comfort-enhancing features. It fits well with the needs of drivers seeking relief from heat and discomfort, making it a practical addition to your vehicle for the 2025 driving season.